When you clean but have kids.
Bumboklat.
What's the matter, lad? Can I smile again?
Yeah, he then shoot him. Then kill him to blood clot.
Huh?
Then kill him, man.
The one in the car?
No, man.
One in the car.
Then call for back up.
Now can you hear me pass, man?
Yeah, man, just easy, man. He go and clip drop out, you know. Bumboklat.
Aye.
Then kill him, you know.
The one right is I kill.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't move, you know.
Huh?
Don't move, you know.
How the fuck them not go up that hill there?
They shoot out that blood clot there, you know.
Yeah?
Shoot out this, you know.
I thought they're not going.
What you mean? Say you see man a fire back on man. One of them shoot a gun or so.
I'm not seeing you not going.
Yeah, man, he fire back, man. Bumboklat. What?
Fuck that, and I'll kill him.
Then kill him, man.
After I beg him. I beg him.
Yeah. Bumboklat shoot out around a flat bridge, yeah. Bumboklat, he get here.
Oh.
You don't see me come down?
I see you come
Yeah, man, one next time get shot, man.
Can't say yes for this.
No, man, just one easy, man. Fucking need that before you jump off in the water down the Sangalanka and try to go across the water. That idiot them for do, man.
Man, they must get shot because they're not going away.
Bumboklat. Aye.
Remember when I tell me say I gotta take Jashii money, see him Jashii ready for your live. Jashii say him across the border and him I gotta send her the money through PayPal for all fee. And you see him one say I gotta take the little boy money, but don't even like Jashii. And so when she said that I couldn't even entertain it, he said, I not even pay Jashii no man, because I know say Jashii fake. And I can't wait for the money to lick my PayPal so I can't take it and block him. You forgot? You forgot? I'm going to post everything over my business page. Hold on. What's going on now? Please, I want to get the address. Because somebody said they must search out L for the address. Bumboklat, I get the address. I get the address. Listen to me, you see, Mama tell you, Mama address only. You see, Uno, wherever the on her side, showed anything when she do, Uno need to seek help but just as bad as her, yeah? Uno not tell her to stop when she trouble people. So when she trouble people, Uno uphold with it. So whenever we answer now, and we are the attention seeker, and we are CR, and we are do this, and we are do that. And we not see when she do the things. We not see it, you know, but we not like when she do it, and when we answer, and we get the wrong. Hello? Sometimes the speaker don't work. Sometimes it kick in and kick out. Hold on.
Hello?
You see him never hear me this a while ago. I'm connect with this. Yeah, I wanted to tell me the things I want to say. Yeah. Somebody said I'm for mute it. But now I'm mute it. I call it apartment complex. My post our ICE number, so when you can I call it apartment complex. My post our ICE number, so when you can go on the immigration page, hold on, something there. I search for her and lodge no complaints. Man, I run no joke. No.
Clinic Park, this is Joseph. How can I help you?
No, hello? 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 Yeah, I'm hearing you. Are you hearing me? You can hear me now? Hi, is there a person by the name of Ivany right at this location? Yes. Ivany right. Ivany. Ivany right. At yeah. The address is 83. She might be under a CPN name. Yes. The address was also posted, and the address was also posted. And she said anyone that wants her should come to the address. And she also has a dog in the apartment.